So I just want to real quick show you how to set up a Facebook event. If you come over here to events, we're in the home page. Come over here to events, click on that. We are going to create a new event. We're going to create a private event. We're going to upload a photo. Create a name. Include your location. Pick your date, your time. If you need to change your time zone, you can do it right here. It'll automatically default to your own. Add a description. Okay. And guests can invite friends, show guest lists, create the private event. Now you're all set up and you can begin inviting guests, and you would invite your hostess. And then that's it. We'll be showing you how to attach visually to this shortly.